Hey guys, welcome back to another OBD Mastery video. Now today we're going to be talking about the P0025 error code. Now we're going to talk about the causes, symptoms, what exactly is the solution to this. Now starting off here with the introduction, this code just means that the camshaft position is timing over retarded on bank 2, and it signifies that the camshaft timing for the second bank of cylinders is not advancing as it should. So it may lead to a variety of engine performance issues such as reduced power output, rough idling, and decreased fuel efficiency due to improper synchronization between the camshaft and crankshaft. This timing issue can be caused by several factors, including mechanical failures, sensor malfunctions, or ECM problems, which, if not addressed promptly, can result in further complications and costly repairs. Now, you're also going to want to look into these symptoms. So you're going to have a check engine line activation and illuminated on your cluster. That is pretty common, but number 2, you're going to have rough idling, so it's going to be unstable, or it's going to be vibrating excessively while at a stop. Your car is just going to be moving a lot, so be aware of that symptom. And then number 3 is going to just be more trips to the gas station than usual, so you're going to have decreased fuel efficiency. That's because your engine's performance is compromised when the camshaft timing's off, so it'll lead to an inefficient combustion and increased fuel consumption. Next, going to be reduced engine power, so it's a critical symptom. Lack of responsiveness and acceleration difficulties. It can severely impact the driving experience and safety, so as the engine struggles to perform optimally. The causes of this is just a faulty camshaft position sensor usually. You could have a retarded camshaft timing, wiring issues or poor electrical connections, contaminated engine oil or low oil pressure, or a malfunctioning ECM, which is very rare. However, it's never zero, but that is a pretty costly repair right there. Contaminated engine oil, just check the viscosity of the oil, make sure it's not milky or anything. Usually if it is milky, there is some form of substance or liquid inside of the engine oil. Wiring and poor connections, just use a multimeter, make sure that there's no exposed wires, because those do make a pretty good difference. But culprits of cost, we've already went through it, but basically 100 to 250 40 cam position sensor, wiring repair $50 to $200. The camshaft timing adjustment is between 150 and 300 depending on parts and labor. Engine oil and filter change between 30 and 100. And yeah, that's pretty much it. ECM 800 1500. However, that usually isn't the problem, but it is really rare that this is a problem. Solutions, like I mentioned, inspect the wiring and connections, test and replace the sensors, adjust camshaft timing, and then change engine oil and filter and diagnose your ECM. So you can go ahead and read all of these, depends which one's your problem, but that's pretty much it for today's video regarding P0025 code. This is talking about the symptom, causes, solutions, how you can fix it, and the cost. So thank you guys for watching another OBD Mastery video. Check out our catalog where we have more P0 code showcases and much more. But until then, we'll see you all for another video.